Hi guys, this is Dina. Today I'm going to take you through one of my latest gadgets, which is the Canon EOS 1500D. If you're looking for a DSLR, then stick around. First, let's get to unboxing. In here, you'll find one camera body, one strap, one charger, one user manual, and a rechargeable battery. The camera comes with an 18 to 55mm lens. For precision and high quality video, you can shoot it in different frame rates such as 24 FPS, 30 FPS, and 60 FPS. The camera shoots all the modes in high definition and delivers crystal clear images. In addition, you also get a manual control option and an autofocus mode to make the best out of your creativity as you desire. It also comes with a DIGIC Plus processor with 9 autofocus points for quick autofocus experience. The lightweight camera supports raw video recording, and with its 24.1 megapixel camera, you can shoot clear images that will support large prints and a high pixel rate. For further ease of use, this DSLR is also enabled with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth mode for you to operate it from a distance. At the base, we have a universal tripod mount that will enable you to use a tripod. You'll also get to reap the benefits of both the optical and digital viewfinder with this camera for further ease of usage. With this camera, it has satisfied the inner artist in me, and I have to say I'm really impressed.